Now that we have a Git protected Drupal site and we have the beginnings of a functional website, we're going to start just putting some borders around the regions so we can illustrate where we're working and make it easier to look at. All right. Um, for that, we're going to have to look at the theme suggestions. So we'll inspect the page by right-clicking and clicking inspect. And this is where I happen to click. It's telling us we are in the menu main region, or not region, but block. What are we looking for? We're looking for a region. Let's find like the first one. This is a site logo, which is in the block site branding. And these are the theme suggestions, and one of them is being pulled in, but we're looking up for the region, which we just found. Okay, so this is the header region, as you can see by the name right here. And if I double click, it will show us which theme, which twig file is being pulled in, which is the region.html.twig. And the full path is right there. But just to note that if we created a region-header.html.twig, it would supersede this one. Because we just want to border every region in the page instead of just the top, let's go ahead and use this region.html.twig. Okay, I'll minimize the terminal and find that file within our web themes, Drupaliness. I wish I picked a different name. Now templates, system probably. No, that's old. Tells us right here. Layout. Region.html.twig. Double click. And here it is, really big font. Now we have Tailwind available because we put it in before. I'm going to shrink down this terminal, and from within the web themes, custom web themes Drupaliness, I'm going to run npm run dev because there is a package.json file. So if I do npm run, it should tell us what we have available. There is test dev build, npm run dev, and it will watch our tailwind.pcss. And I mean, yeah, that's right. And our twig files, which is configured in the tailwind.config right here. Okay, so region, if we want to completely take over the theme and not have classes added from the Drupal system, we can just wipe this out. Otherwise, we can add it up here. So if you look at these classes, theoretically, region and region, the name here with the dash in the middle will be applied to the div. So here it is. These two classes, as I said, are being inserted from this variable, the twig variable, into this div right there. All right, so instead of wiping it out, we will add up here, and we're just gonna say border red 300. Save. We can see our twig reloading, and we refresh after a dev Drupal, dress sheet CR, which clears the cache. And we have nothing. Border red. I must have messed something up. Okay, maybe there is no border red. I should have checked the Tailwind CSS.com docs. I know there's a purple. maybe there's no 300. Let's try 400 purple. I don't know if I enabled the development stuff. So we don't have to refresh the cache. Probably not. I don't think we got there yet. So we're going to... All right, so it's not being applied for some reason. And if we search Tailwind for... Did I write border purple? Yeah, that's right. Border color. Border slate. Maybe there is no purple. Show all classes. Well, let's try a slate 900 or 700 because that's what came under the mouse. So we'll try this Tailwind class. It reloaded. We'll try reloading. Clear that cache again, then reload. I guess we have a broken system. Why? We're gonna cowboy it and do a style tag with a border 1px dash red. I like putting that ending semicolon. I'm gonna try refreshing. No. There it is around all the regions. Well, I've successfully showed you a broken CSS, Tailwind CSS installation, but we rescued it with the style tag for now. And I'm going to figure out what's going on with that Tailwind for the next video. I don't remember what happened or what we covered so far. I thought it was done, but whatevs. That's it for now. Next video, we're going to keep theming because it's still like stacked. All right, bye.